Being a good driver transcends the basics of maneuvering a car and following road signs. At its core, skilled driving is a blend of keen awareness, anticipation, adaptability, emotional control, and courtesy. These elements not only help keep you safe, but shape a more secure and efficient flow for everyone on the road. The first indicator that you're a truly capable driver is your ability to anticipate potential hazards long before they manifest. You scan intersections and sidewalks, watch for cars edging out from driveways, and register the body language of nearby cyclists and pedestrians. Your eyes are constantly flickering between mirrors, your mind piecing together the subtle dynamics of traffic. When taillights flash up ahead, you don't just react. You're already easing off the gas, giving yourself and those behind you time to adapt. This forward-thinking mindset means recognizing when weather or lighting conditions could influence the way others drive, and adjusting your own pace or route accordingly. It's a dance of intuition and observation, quietly aware that the world outside your windshield is in constant, unpredictable motion. Control is another hallmark of skillful driving, but not just in the mechanical sense. It's about smoothness, gentle starts and stops, fluid steering, and gradual lane changes, all actions that signal predictability to those around you. This steadiness brings comfort to passengers and decreases wear and tear on your car, but its true value lies in safety. In sudden downpours or icy conditions, your calm, practiced touch keeps your tires gripping the road, steering straight, and braking without a jolt. Whether it's coasting to a red light rather than slamming on the brakes, or merging seamlessly into traffic, your focus is on making your presence as unobtrusive and dependable as possible. Adaptability, the third mark of good driving, reveals itself whenever the road throws a curveball. Maybe the city installs a new bike lane overnight, or a once quiet shortcut is now under construction. Laws evolve, technologies like electric vehicles and autopilot systems appear, and you stay informed, incorporating these changes into your routines. You adapt your approach, not just out of obligation, but from an understanding that yesterday's best practices may not fit today's traffic landscape. This flexibility allows you to helm any vehicle, on any route, with confidence and insight. Fourth, and perhaps most critical, is the ability to regulate your emotions behind the wheel. Tense situations, gridlock, rude gestures, last-minute lane cutters are inevitable. Yet rather than respond with impatience, you breathe deeply and refuse to escalate. You don't tailgate or retaliate. You maintain a calm focus, prioritizing the safety of all road users over fleeting ego or frustration. This sense of composure prevents mistakes compelled by anger or distraction and sets a tone for civility that others quietly follow. Lastly, great driving is grounded in respect, not just for the law, but for the shared nature of every journey. You understand that every driver, pedestrian, and cyclist has a stake in reaching their destination safely. Yielding for merging cars, pausing for school buses, dimming headlights for oncoming traffic, these are small acts, yet they foster cooperation and goodwill. You prepare your car and your route, check your mirrors frequently, and stay thoughtfully disengaged from distractions like phones or loud music. When using new technologies, like adaptive cruise control or emergency braking assistance, you remember that they supplement, but never replace human focus and judgment. Good drivers see driving not as a competition, but as a responsibility. They are open to learning, humble in the face of errors, and always striving to refine their habits. This mindset, rooted in self-awareness and respect for others, is what quietly transforms roads from battlegrounds into shared arteries of movement, where everyone arrives a little safer and a little less stressed.